Hey, what's going on, guys? Omar here with 68 Charger Garage. Welcome back to the page. So I wanted to do a really quick video on my 2021 Jeep Gladiator. I ended up getting one of those TEMU caps, and I wanted to show you all I've done to it so far. All right, guys, so I guess I'll start with the outside first. So on my last trip to Moab, I ended up getting these traction bars. I believe they're 44 inches or so. And one of the issues I ran into was that these little handles right here to open the cap are 33 inches across. So whenever I put, here, let me do this. So whenever I put the traction bars on there, I was not able to open them. Luckily, it wasn't too big of an issue and I was able to find a workaround, but I ended up finding these that are 27 inches. It makes it a little bit easier to get into the back of the Jeep. And on this side, I ended up going with a 4-gallon Roto Packs. This one is 34 inches, and like I mentioned, I have a 33-inch distance between both handles. And I was a little bit worried because the website said 34 inches, but the way that it angles right here, it fits perfect. So I'm able to open it on this end over here and on this end. So it makes it like super easy to get in and out of. On the back end, I wanted to do a little Easter egg, so I went ahead and put a little decal of a red Jeep right there. And then one of the cool things that I actually just bought recently, like a week or so ago, was these LED taillights. I actually found both of them on Marketplace. The lady was selling them for $100. I thought it was just one or that they were broken, but I reached out to her and they were perfectly fine. So I ended up jumping on it, ran over and got him, and was actually pretty excited because I like these a whole lot better than the halogen ones. So yeah, now let's go into the inside of the cap. On the inside, the first thing that I did is it did originally come with a little magnetic light that you have a USB-C charger to. And I had it right here, but it was not bright at all. So I ended up just getting some magnetic lights from Harbor Freight or something to have some lights for my trip. But I really didn't like that at all. And so I ended up going into Amazon and just getting some LED lighting. And I went ahead and wired it all the way down to the aux button and the dashboard. And so I did a little custom button right here that actually gets it started. So you can see that's like super bright now and I really, really like it. Just for like city driving and going to the supermarket and stuff, I ended up finding these crates that actually fit perfect, as you can see. It is an original 13 by 13, and I believe these are 13 by 19 and 13 by 19. I did a lot of research and I actually ended up finding these at Target. So if it's something you'd want to do, you can always go to Target. It wasn't that much of a price to pay, you know, for this. And usually now whenever I go to the grocery store, I just fill these up and then I just bring the crates in instead of bringing bags in individually. To avoid the crates going backwards, which they kind of don't with this bed rug carpet that I put on here, which was, I was pretty happy with this. But to keep them from going back, I actually ended up doing like the mod that a lot of people do for their Gladiator. And so I ended up going actually with 2x8 just to have a little bit of higher clearance on it so that stuff didn't go over. On this one, I ended up cutting it to size. I'm not gonna really go into detail on that. You can find a lot of videos of people that have done this on YouTube. And so pretty much what I did is I cut it to size based on the specs that people gave on YouTube videos. And then I ended up actually painting it black, and then I rhino-lined it. And then I went ahead and padded the ends. That way it kind of doesn't really move. It still moves, but it's not noisy anymore. So it makes it a little bit easier whenever you have stuff on here so it's not rolling all the way to the back of the bed. And actually one of the very first things that I did whenever I first bought this Gladiator was I went down and took it to Big Bend and I did the Black Gap Trail, the Trail Rated Trail. So I got my little badge for that. Originally, I had just a soft tonneau cover from Mopar, like the rolling one. And so I thought our stuff was pretty safe in there and covered. And after doing that trail, the entire interior was covered in dust and it was just really hard to get out. And we actually ended up having to steal some trash bags from our Airbnb to be able to put our suitcases on there. So because of that, actually I ended up getting some of these Husky, I think they're medium rolling toolboxes. I got them from, I believe it was Home Depot. They fit pretty well in there. I ended up getting 3, and then we have our Yeti. So let me show you how that fits. All right, so as you can see, you're able to fit 2 right at the back and then 1 on its side. And then our Yeti cooler, which is a 45, fits perfect. At the time, whenever I had the soft cover, this like cleared perfectly. I do think that they still sell a little bit higher ones, but I really like this height for my application for the Jeep. But anyway, guys, yeah, hopefully this is something that you guys can use for future trips. That way you can put all your luggage and stuff. We ended up doing like our luggages on these. We did food for this one, and then of course our coolers. So it worked out really well for us. Thanks for watching, guys.